In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert images into a Google Calendar event. If you want to make your calendar events more useful and visually informative, adding an image can be a great option. This is especially helpful for things like meeting agendas, reference graphics, flyers, maps, or any visual file that attendees may need before the event begins. The good news is that this process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. To get started, open Google Calendar and find the event where you want to add the image. Click on the event to open the preview window and then select Edit Event by clicking the pencil icon. This takes you into the full event editor where you can make changes to all the event details. Once you're in the editing screen, look near the description box for the Add Attachment option, which is represented by a paperclip icon. This is the tool you'll use to attach your image to the calendar event. Click the paperclip and a file selection window will appear. From there, choose your image from Google Drive and click Select. It's important to know that this method uses files stored in Drive. So if your image is not already there, you may need to upload it to Google Drive first before attaching it to the event. Using Drive also makes it easier to manage access and share files with other event guests. After the image has been attached, click Save. At this point, Google Calendar may ask how you want to update guests or what sharing permissions you want to apply. Choose your preferred sharing settings for the people invited to the event. This matters because if guests don't have permission to access the file, they may see the attachment listed but won't be able to open it. In most cases, selecting a sharing option that allows invited guests to view the file is the safest choice. And that's it. Your image is now attached to the Google Calendar event. Anyone with the right access can open the event and view the attached file directly from there. If you're using calendar events to organize meetings, presentations, or team coordination, this is a simple way to keep everything in one place and make your event details much more useful. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you add images to your Google Calendar events quickly and easily.